From disruptor to regulated bank? Imagine the company behind XRP becoming a U.S. bank and the ripple effects hitting every corner of the crypto world. That's exactly what Ripple, San Francisco-based tech company, is chasing. Guys, welcome back into Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. We appreciate you stopping back in and joining us. Tap that like and subscribe. Tap the bell notification down below so you can be alerted every time we put out a new video. And please do not forget to tap our Caleb and Brown link down below as well, so you could be connected to your one-stop shop for your cryptocurrency brokerage needs this next bull run cash out. And don't forget, our Patreon has launched. My goodness gracious me, you better get in there and check out and see the antics in there. Crazy stuff on our Patreon. Things we can't do on YouTube. I'll leave the rest up to you on that one. Hey, we're giving away our 11th for free once we sign up 10. We love you guys. Check out the Patreon. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest moves in crypto this year, Ripple applying for a U.S. banking charter. Why does this matter? What's the status on it? And how could it change the XRP game forever? All right, let's start with what Ripple is doing. On July 2nd, 2025, Ripple submitted an application to the U.S. Office of the Controller of the Currency, the OCC, for a national banking license, also called a trust bank charter. This move puts Ripple's new stablecoin RLUSD and its broader payments infrastructure under federal supervision alongside its New York trust license. Why does this all matter? A regulated charter lets Ripple operate as a federally supervised institution with access to the banking system's rails, possibly even a Fed master account, and massive credibility for Ripple and XRP. XRP's a crap coin. So, what's the status now? Filed July 2nd, the OCC began its review through the public comment period ending August 4th. The decision window fell right here at the end of October, about 120 days from submission, though reviews can run longer into November here. As of today, Ripple's application is in formal review with the OCC. Why this move matters for XRP and the whole ecosystem? One, trust. This puts Ripple in the same regulatory family as national banks. It opens doors for institutions and global partners to work with Ripple without hesitation. Number two, bridge asset power. With a license, Ripple can offer direct settlements through XRP for cross-border payments. And that means banks could hold Ripple's stablecoin and tap XRP as the bridge asset inside federal banking rails. Third thing to consider here, RLUSD. Under bank oversight, RLUSD becomes a regulated stablecoin backed by transparent reserves. That gives Ripple the credibility to go toe-to-toe with USDC and USDT. Clarity. This charter could set a precedent for crypto firms to integrate directly with U.S. banking law instead of fighting around it. You're welcome, rest of the crypto space. But there are risks too. The OCC will scrutinize every detail, capital requirements, risk controls, crypto exposure, and liquidity, etc., etc. Traditional banks and some politicians may push back to slow it down. Still, Ripple is ahead of the curve here. Once approved, it could operate like a crypto bank, serving both blockchain and TradFi under one roof. What's the timeline? If the review stays on track, a decision could arrive by late 2025 here or early 2026. And once approved, implementation and launch could take another 6 to 9 months for full activation. Now that means 2026 could be the year Ripple becomes a regulated bank and the year XRP goes mainstream under clear rules. Let's recap. Ripple filed its U.S. bank charter in July 2025. It's under review with the OCC now. Approval could unlock federal bank access, credibility, and the green light for institutional use of RLUSD and XRP. The bigger picture, Ripple's banking pivot is crypto growing up. The old world of finance and the new world of blockchain are finally meeting in the middle. And if Ripple gets this license, that bridge will be built on XRP. Thanks for tuning in. to this episode of Crypto Info Blockchain Made Easy with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. Please tap that like, subscribe, bell notification down below so you can be alerted each time we put out a new video. And please do not forget to tap our Caleb and Brown link down below. And don't forget our Patreon has launched for less than $5 a month, less than a cup of coffee. You can jump in there and see all the antics going on that we can't show you here on YouTube. Don't forget, we're also giving away the 11th. So once we get 10 signed up, we're giving away the 11th for free. We'll do a little raffle on that one. We love you guys. See you next time. Energy level on the camera is like weight. You know how the camera takes off or puts on 10 pounds? It takes away 10 energy level points and 10 flow or speed points because right? Doesn't it like slow it all down somehow?